Sir, today is the last demo. Today, just I am going to give two small important maybe theory related topics. The first one is nothing but introduction to Java programming. Okay, so we know very well any programming language, the first and very important step number we introduction. Who invented Java? How the name Java? Okay, so all these things we have to focus. So let me talk about introduction to Java. Who invented this Java? How this Java programming came into the market? All these things we are going to cover in today's session. Okay. So now let us talk about the first point related to this introduction. Initially, there is one project is there with the name Green Project. Around some 10 to 15 members are working under this Green Project. So especially it is related to some kind of television related activities. They are developing some application. At the time of developing this application, suddenly they got one idea for introducing a new programming language. So that is the reason Java came into the market. Okay, so what is the origin for Java is nothing but this green project only. Sir, who invented this Java? The person with name James Gosling and a team. Around some 15 members, team members are James Gosling and a team. These people introduced this Java into the market, sir. Next and after that, what is the first version of Java? Do you know the first version of Java is nothing but Java 1.0, or some people may use the word called JDK 1.0, which is released on 23rd January 1996. Okay, the first version of Java came into the market on 23rd January 1996. This is officially the first version of Java came into the market. Okay, so initially this Java is an actual name is not Java. Initially OAK programming language is there. Initially Java is called as what? OAK programming language, which represents a national tree in some country. Okay, in some country, the national tree name is nothing but OAK. Oak trees are there. Sir, do you know these oak trees are representing the strength? Okay, so like that here also. So they used this programming language name as initially OAK. Unfortunately, with this name, already some programming language is there, a small chota, some scripting related programming language is there. That's why they changed the name from OAK to Java. Sir, Java means what? Can I say it is nothing but, sir, coffee seed name. That's why if you observe the logo of Java is nothing but, sir, coffee cup symbol. Okay, coffee cup symbol with a saucer you are going to get. This is nothing but, okay, logo of Java, sir. Logo of Java is nothing but coffee cup symbol with a saucer. So because at the time of developing, so in that area, especially in that James Gosling office, so these trees, oak, Java coffee seed trees are very famous. That's why they have selected this name. Okay, next term, sir, initially, who is a sponsor for Java? Definitely some person, some organization, some company should sponsor anything that you introduced into the market. Suppose consider I introduced one product. If I want to give publicity for that product, or if I want to give promotions for that project, so compulsory we need to take the help of some marketing team or some company we need to support must be required. Those company people are going to sponsor our particular product and they will give publicity. In the same way, even for Java also, initially there is one company with name Sun Microsystems. Okay, Sun Microsystems is the official vendor for Java at very beginning, sir. Now, this one is taken care by Oracle Corporation. Now, Oracle Corporation is taking the complete care of this Java. Now, if you want to download any Java software or if you want to get any updates on Java, so everything is under the control of this Oracle Corporation. If you open this Oracle or Oracle website, there a separate blog is there for Java. From that you can able to download. Okay, sir, next and after that I want to address three important points related to this Java. What is the first point is Java is implemented based on Ora principle. What is mean by Ora? Write once, write once, run any number of times. Run any number of times. This is the main objective of Java. That means we are going to develop the project or we are going to implement the program only one time, and you have an option to execute that program any number of times in any number of systems. This concept is called as what? Ora principle. Okay, anyway, in the upcoming classes also we will discuss this point. Next and after that, Java is open source. Open source software. Sir, open source software means what? Suppose you identified some bug in the Java code or Java software. When you are running the program, you thought that if we implement this feature, then it will be good. Like that, if you have any suggestions, if you want, you can do the modification or you can write that information to the Java team. So they are going to consider that, and if it is really flexible, then happily they are going to add that feature in our upcoming versions. Like that, Java is open source software. And some people may ask, sir, is it free? Yes, of course. Java is nothing but freeware for, okay, for students. For students, it is a freeware. Means what? If you want to learn Java, you can download Java software for free of cost and you can install in your machine and you can do the programs. But whereas coming to commercial users, okay, whereas coming to commercial use, compulsory we have to purchase Java software. For commercial users you have to purchase, but for students, for trainers, it is nothing but completely free. Okay, this is nothing but what we have important points. Sir, total how many Java versions are there? So we have Java 1.02, we have up to, sir, Java 21. So the latest first version of Java is nothing but what? First version of Java is nothing but what? 23rd. So January 1996. So which is nothing but JDK 1.0. Sir, last version. So last version of Java, or I can say the latest version. Don't tell last version. So latest version of Java is nothing but what? Sir, which is released recently on the 19th September 2023. It is nothing but Java 21. Okay, and Java 22 is about to release in the month of March 2024. Like that, even in the official website they announced this. Sir, for every 6 months you are going to get different versions of Java. Okay, this is nothing but what we have introduction to Java, nothing more than this. Just we have given who invented Java and how the name Java came, all these things. Okay, up to this, do you have any doubts, friends? Please confirm.
No doubts.
No doubt, sir.
Right. Good.
No, sir.
Yeah, good. Now, so continuation. Sir, I want to execute a simple Java program. What softwares are required? So softwares required to execute Java applications. Sir, if I want to execute any Java applications, what softwares are required? Sir, the first software is nothing but we need an editor to execute the programs. I need some editor to type the program. Generally, we can use Notepad, okay, or you can use Edit Plus, Sublime Text, okay, Autumn Editor. We have so many editors are there. We need an editor. You can download this editor from any website and you can install in your machine. This is the first software required. The second one is we need a command prompt. We need a command prompt which is available default to default in every operating system. If you take any operating system, by default that command prompt will be there. Initially, up to fundamentals, we are going to practice all our programs in this command prompt only. We will type the program in editor and we will execute the program in the command prompt. And third software is nothing but you have to download so Java latest version. You have to download Java latest version. Maybe here it is nothing but Java 21. You have to install Java 21 into your machine. Sir, how to install this Java 21? I will explain in our next session. Sir, after that, compulsory you need IDEs also. Sir, I told IDEs are not recommended at learning stage, but so you should have an idea how to create the project, what advantages are there with the help of these IDEs. So without IDEs, what will happen? With IDEs, what will happen? What extra benefits we are going to get? Sir, we have so many IDEs are there. Like if you start from the beginning, famous IDE is Eclipse. Then we are using NetBeans IDE. Okay, NetBeans IDE, and we have IntelliJ. Okay, IntelliJ idea is there. Okay, like we have so many IDEs are there. We are going to practice the programs in all these three. Okay, so Eclipse IDE, how you can work, NetBeans IDE, how you can work with that, IntelliJ idea, how you can work with that. All these things I will demonstrate. Don't worry at all. So these are nothing but what are the various steps are required. Sorry, softwares are required to execute Java applications. Sir, I don't know how to install Java. I don't know which IDEs I have to use. I don't know how to download editors. Don't worry. In our upcoming classes, we are going to focus only on installations. Okay. Sir, clear up to this? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Yeah. So with this, I'm going to stop today's session because only few people are there and almost it is a weekend. So generally I want to take the class on Saturday, but unfortunately we started in Tuesday. So that is the reason I have taken this class. But don't worry, we will meet for the continuation in on Tuesday. So Monday there is no classes, sir. Okay, because you know festival. So tomorrow and the day after tomorrow we don't have any class. From Tuesday we will have our regular classes. We are going to change the link from Tuesday. The people who want to attend the classes from Tuesday, you have to make the payment and you need to attend the classes. We are going to change this link from Tuesday. Okay. In the Tuesday class, I am going to explain so how to execute a simple Java program and what are the various cases are there in Java program, how to set the path, all these things. So we are going to discuss. Maybe that class is very, very important because we are going to focus only on installation activities, right? Thank you guys. Any doubts up to this?
Sir, when will you share the Tuesday link?
Madam, most probably Sunday evening we are going to share.
Okay.
Maximum by Tuesday afternoon, everyone who registered for this course, you are going to get the link. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Right, sir. Thank you. See you on the Tuesday class. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Happy Pongal.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Wish you the same for everyone. Thank you.